All right, let's look at these last three from our note page today. We have two triangles. So first you decompose it in your mind. What are the two things? And we have an upper triangle and we have a lower triangle. They're marked as congruent. So this guy, 35 yards. We know that vertical angles are congruent, and we have parallel lines cut by a transversal. So we know that alternate interior angles are congruent. So this guy matches this guy. This guy matches this guy. What ends up happening is we know that this is exactly half of that 15-yard total. And then this one also is exactly half. So they're totally matching triangles. We can tell that by those parallel lines, those congruent lines, and all the things we learned about triangles first semester. Okay, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So we're going to plug in the pieces we know. 1/2, 35 times 7.5. That's one of the two triangles. And then we can either double it, or we could say right here, I don't need to cut it in half because I want to double it later. 0.5, 35, 7.5. So one triangle is 131.25, and we've got two of them. So 262.5 yards squared for the area of those two triangles. Okay, so hopefully you've already tried all three of these. I'm just going to go ahead and blow through. This one, we've got a square and a triangle. Okay, this square is 22 times 22. It's base times height. So 22 times 22, which is 484 centimeters squared. That's our square. Let's find the triangle portion of this. He sticks out like that. Okay, we know that this side's 22 because they're all marked with the two tick marks. So we definitely use that. Can we figure out the height of the triangle from that side? I think we can because they said 42 for the total. Subtract this 22 centimeter side. And then what's left is 20 centimeters for the height of that triangle. So 1/2 base times height for a triangle. 1/2 20 times 22 is 220 centimeters squared. Okay, so we know the triangle, we know the square, we want the total. We've got to add them together. 484 plus 220 for 704 centimeters squared for the total area of that. I don't know, it kind of looks like a house on its side, right? And then the last one is two trapezoids. They share this base. They have matching bases out here and 64 meters total. So we're going to assume then that the height is split exactly in half, 32. Remember what the formula is for trapezoids, base 1 plus base 2. That was the one that you have to be careful when you enter it in your calculator. So, but we have all the numbers. Height is 32, base 1, base 2. Those can be in either order. Let's find it. 20 plus 40 is 960 for one of them, and we've got two of them. 1,920 meters squared. Okay, that's just a little brief run through. You've got several on your assignment page. Break them down, find the area you can do it, and we'll see you Friday. Bye.